It also warns against the dangers of gender confusion and the loss of identity, urging societies to maintain clear but flexible gender norms. Yet, it does not condemn those who deviate from traditional roles. Instead, it calls for compassion and understanding, recognizing that human identity is complex and multifaceted. If this text had been written in more recent times, like today, I believe the book would be more accepting of same-sex marriages and, of course, various forms of sexual identity. However, pushing etiquette and our decorating flair aside for a moment, let's discuss the real biology difference and mental dissimilarities between women and men. To go over some brief ones, everyone already knows the difference between estrogen and testosterone hormone levels between men and women. But what might be surprising to some is that men typically have a 11% larger brain volume than women. However, it should be known that women have a larger corpus callosum, or the part of the brain that connects both hemispheres, rather than their counterpart. As a joke that I typically tell my clients almost all the time is that even though men typically have a larger brain, women can actually use what they do have. However, sex-based differences exist in specific areas and structures within the limbic system, such as women having greater density in some regions, like the anterior cingulate gyrus and insula, while men may have larger volumes and structures like the amygdala and the hippocampus, according to some studies.